Hey guys, it's BW and we're not in the garage. We're heading back down to Jay's. I got some parts to pick up for our gasser. We're also going to grab a radiator support for our buddy Phil. And plus I want to check out that Woody he's got down there in the garage if he'll let us have a peek at it. So why don't you stick around and check us out.
Look at that.
These things stick some more.
They are fragile.
There's a, you know there's a tear on this side, right?
Yeah. Great.
Don't worry, I'll help you recover before
Please.
Man, is this thing nice. You take this out, Jay?
I have. It's been it's won awards at Syracuse twice. Yeah, it's on the windshield. But
wow. Check this out, guys. What year is this?
36.
A 36 Woody. A true Woody. The doors are wood. Hemi powered. This is something else. Look at that interior.
It's beautiful.
This is not really ready for viewing, you know.
That's what. Jay, this car is absolutely beautiful.
It's gorgeous.
Even with a cover on, it's sturdy.
Wow. 36 Plymouth.
Didn't you say that you had your friend did all the woodwork on it?
What wasn't fixable or savable on one side, they at least had a workable piece on the opposite side to remanufacture the parts. Your buddy, the furniture maker, right?
Correct.
What's the cubic inch on this tri-powered Hemi?
325 plus 40.
325 plus 40 tri-powered.
Yeah. That's right, 333, 335, something like that.
335 Hemi tri-power. Did you look at the
Yeah.
carburetor? Let me see. Hemi powered 36 Woody.
And here from
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh my gosh.
This is where he pulled it out of a barn. I'm guessing that this guy's the old farmer you promised you wouldn't hot rod it, and wow.
I guess I'll go to hell for that one.
I think you'll be all right.
I don't know. You really restored it, so.
Look at the before and afters. I don't think you'll mind, Jay. Did you ever open it up? Did you ever open it up a little bit? I would.
Jay has all the good stories.
With the size of the engine, there's no room for a power steering pump. So it's pretty hard to maneuver. Does have a 200R behind the Hemi. Power disc brakes, of course. Dropped axle. S10 rear.
Wow.
How long did it take your friend to restore it?
Years.
Years?
This is one of those labors of love. It's
Just another money. You can build 257 Chevys from what's in this stupid thing.
It's so pretty, though.
That's something else. I appreciate it, man.
Look, just look at that wood.
I know. Black lacquer.
Yeah. That's face clear.
It's really deep.
It would have been even deeper if it could have talked the guy out of clear. I didn't want clear on it. I love clear. That's deep.
All right in there, yeah.
Further into it.
You're right in it.
This with base clear, it picks up colors from around the room.
Right.
Without the clear, it's just depth.
It's just, wow.
course, it's so darn dirty.
It doesn't look dirty to me. It's
like a little tiny bit of dust. Come on. I can't get over the cab. The coach is just gorgeous. Absolutely. Kim, did you do the headliner in here, or where the wooden headliner?
oh wow.
Bottom of a boat.
It does. Look at the bows. That is something else. Yeah, I've been telling her about this car since we got back from the last time. I said we needed to spend some time on that thing and take a look at it. Very nice.
I like this. I like the.
The picnic basket's a nice touch, Jay. That's a nice touch.
Well, that, I mean, I'm sure you've seen that stuff all over the place, but that comes from New Jersey, and she's from up that way. So
Oh,
it's sort
okay.
of-
Yeah, that's a nice touch, though.
Does she like riding in it?
Yeah.
It's very pretty. Very beautiful car. Even the top. Look at that top.
Now, when did you pull this out? Was that in the 70s, you said, Jay, that you got this out of the barn over here?
Probably mid 80s.
Mid-80s?
Yeah. Mid to late 80s. It probably sat for 10 years without being touched. Look like, but 3 of the 4 are original to the car. And the 4th one on Craigslist was a new old stock 36 Plymouth fender here locally.
Wow.
Running boards are reproduction.
I gotta get down there.
You see the taillight lenses have Plymouth on them.
Yeah, I got that
The
on.
third light has the ship in it.
I didn't see that.
The chassis is just as nice as the top.
Not that one.
It's rusty and cobwebby and all that.
Oh, there it is. Has the ship in it.
Isn't that gorgeous?
And a 57 Chevy taillight LED fits right inside there. Sets that ship on fire.
I'll tell you what.
The top is, the roof is gorgeous.
They have to weatherproof
That's
the wood.
Mercedes convertible top. No, it's material.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Slider windows. Did you see this, Kim? The nice little touches.
Mm-hmm.
That's something else. That's a Pebble Beach car, man. Yeah, that's a Pebble Beach car, buddy. You have to take it out to California.
It'll never happen.
Okay, guys. Well, didn't I tell you today he had a cool Woody down there? A 36 Hemi powered Plymouth Woody. You can hot rod anything, and that thing is cool. Let me tell you, there's so many things we didn't even touch on. For example, the bumpers, they're from a 30s DeSoto. They narrowed the spare tire so that it would fit inside the fender well on the passenger side. You know, it's like, it's the little things. You could go through that car, there's so many things you could find and discover in a day. The license plate frame is a flipped upside down piece from a 57 Chevy that's been customized. But go back there and look. It looks like it belongs on the car. That car is so well done. When I said in the video it's a Pebble Beach car, that's no joke, that's what it is. I appreciate Jay letting us take a look at it. I think that was pretty awesome of him. Thanks a lot, Jay. All right, so now on to our car. We stopped down to see Jay to get some parts for our ride as well. I wanted to get the heater components for the car. We're definitely going to need those. Not so much for the heat, but in the fall, the windows fog up around here, and we got to be able to defog them. So I got this deluxe controller from Jay. All right, really cool. Lights up, it's got a light bulb and everything. Now the chrome needs cleaned up a little bit, but we'll get it, no big deal. One of the handles is broke for the controls right here. This one right here, let me set it down and show you. It's broke off right there. So we got a brand new set of handles here that we're going to put on there. We got some new knobs to go with that. We got new cables. We got a foam a rubber gasket kit for all the heaters, so it's sealed up nice and tight. All right. We finally got our extra headlight bucket. I appreciate it, Jay. One of those that we got off of them last year is super rough. So this will make it right, and it's perfect. And you know what's great about it? It's complete. So somebody like me that's never taken one apart, I'll know exactly how it's supposed to go when I pull it apart, you know, and I know what components I'm gonna need and what I have versus what I'm gonna have to get. So I appreciate it. Thanks a lot, Jay. We also got the blower and squirrel box here. Squirrel cage, excuse me. He gave me an extra motor. He feels like they both work, but he's like, yeah, just make sure, take an extra one and bring back whatever you don't use. He's just that kind of guy. I appreciate it. So that's what we're gonna do. We'll get this stuff all cleaned up, find out what works best, and we'll put this all together on a future video. We got our heater core box down there. So with all these components, it shouldn't be too hard to figure out how this thing goes, and it's gonna fill that big hole up under our dash right here. It's gonna go, the controls go right here. All right, so it's gonna look really cool in there. And like I say, when we turn the lights on, the light will even light up for our deluxe control panel. I love it. All right, so that's what we got. Now the instrument cluster's in the house with Kim. Jay let me borrow some of his, this model glue paint, but it's fluorescent orange, and we're gonna paint the speedo, the temperature, and the fuel gauge needles. And it should set that cluster off and really make it pop. So that's what we're up to in the house. That's what we're gonna finish up with tonight. I got the welding gas yesterday, but it was late in the day, so I didn't get a chance to weld up the rest of the seat bracket on the passenger side. I'm gonna start on that during the week. We're gonna get into mounting our fuel cell in the trunk. I got so much spare metal laying around here. I'm gonna work on fabbing up our own bracket for the battery in the trunk as well. All right, so that's what's coming up in the future videos along with the heating stuff, and we're just getting everything ready to go. Oh, I also bought 2 yards of vinyl from Joann Fabrics, so we're gonna start trying to see what we can do to cover the seat area in the back, you know, to kind of dress things up as we go. Not right away, but I'm compiling parts. I do a lot of compiling and then I put them all together. I like to try to have everything here. We got a lot of other fun stuff coming up over here in BW's garage. We're looking at another car, another project, so that we can rotate back and forth so things stay fresh around here. We'll see what happens, but I will keep you guys right in tune with us and let you know what's going to happen. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do it. I could use all the support I can get. Join the party. So till next video, take care everybody.